Would you like to know how our student Krupa Shah reached BITS Pilani, Hyderabad after almost giving up on GATE? Krupa Shah was in computer science branch. She was studying from Indus University. जब उसने गेट कोचिंग ज्वाइन किया तो उसकी जर्नी स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छी रही, उसकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी थी, बट हर जर्नी वॉज ऑन एंड ऑफ आफ्टर दैट. उसकी प्रिपरेशन समहाउ कंटिन्यू नहीं हो पाई एंड देन शी फेल्ट कि मुझे अब गेट के लिए अपियर भी होना चाहिए या नहीं. सो ये क्वेश्चन से उसने गेट दिया एंड आफ्टर दैट शी एंडेड अप इन बिट्स पिलानी हैदराबाद. तो ये जर्नी उसने कैसे तय की और उसने ये अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे ओवरकम किया, सो हम यही चीज कृपा शाह से बात करके जानेंगे. वेलकम कृपा. सो लाइक आपको लाइक बिट्स पिलानी एडमिशन हुआ, सो गेट के थ्रू आप गए, तो गेट के लिए आपने डिसाइड कैसे किया? लाइक हाउ डिड यू थिंक ऑफ गेट कि मुझे गेट देना है या गेट से मैं यहाँ तक जा पाऊंगी, कैसे आपने वो डिसाइड किया?
Okay, so I always wanted to pursue higher education. So my options which I could see were either do MBA or go for masters.
Correct.
Now, in past 6 or 7 months left in my BTech, I was very interested in my core subjects, the subjects I was already studying.
Correct.
And I decided that I want to give it one more shot and pursue for master MTech instead of MBA. And that's how I decided. So my options were either to go to abroad or pursue masters in a decent college in India itself. So what I thought about was कि I saw ROI of both the options, right?
Correct.
And I could see that ROI given GATE was way better than the ROI I could have gotten going to do masters in abroad. Now the thing is that and at that point only there was recession already going on. So I had various reasons to stay in India, and then I saw that what is the medium through which I could get admission in a good college in India itself, and GATE was the only option I had. So that's how I decided that I want to give GATE.
राइट. सो यू डिसाइडेड कि आपको ऑप्शंस, आपने वेरियस ऑप्शंस स्टडी किए, यू कंपेयर दैट रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्ट आरओआई क्या है, एंड देन यू डिसाइडेड कि गेट करना है. तो हाउ डिड यू केम टू नो कि एजुकेट गेट कोचिंग कराना है या आपको गेट कोचिंग की नीड है? हाउ डिड यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट?
Okay, so for the 4 years which I have done master engineering, I have been a proper engineering student. Like exam की एक रात पहले पढ़ना and things like that. So I knew कि I can't give GATE like that. That's not how I'll achieve good marks or my true potential. So I knew that I need a coaching class. Now the thing is that my college had just started, the lockdown was lifted up, and so I knew that I can't go to GATE coaching every day of the week.
Right.
So I got to know about Educate through my classmates, and they were already studying here. So one of my classmates really praised Daniel sir. So I really wanted to come here and meet him as well. So and this is I think the first coaching class I came to, and Daniel sir convinced me why I should choose GATE, and that convinced me why I should go for Educate.
So this was, I can really relate to this because this was my journey too. Like when I was studying, I was not aware about the options while my B, and I was that kind of student only, like one day before you will start preparing for exam and everything. And my friend came, took me here कि यहाँ पे आओ, गेट करा रहा है कोचिंग, and again same thing, जेनिल से मिले, and that converse goes on. Right now I am here, so that's how my journey was. So I can truly relate with that. So you started the gate coaching journey, आपने start किया. So what was your journey about? Like preparation कैसे रहा, आपकी journey कैसी रही पूरी, आप कुछ बता पाओगे उसके बारे में?
Sure. So my journey went on and off. So most of the GATE toppers would say that you should not take a break for a week. So it was not intentional, but in my GATE journey I had breaks of months, not weeks, months. Okay, and at the end point I was in a situation where I decided that maybe I should not give GATE at all, because I had like finished all the subjects and my course was finished, but the thing is that I had not revised a single subject at that point, and I just had 15 days left before GATE exam. And that was the day I had a personal mentoring session with Jainil sir, and I told him that I am giving up, I'm not going to give GATE, I would rather go find a job or do something else. And he was like that, you have already invested so many months here, what's the loss in giving GATE? Like you have lost hope, right? So there is no downside to that. and that's how somehow he convinced me that I should give GATE, and surprisingly my GATE marks were decent. So yeah, that's how my journey went.
Right. So I want to highlight one point कि like lots of student की ये journey रहती है that on and off then they might lose their confidence कि यार नहीं होगा मुझसे गेट या they drop out in midway. So that is the journey of Krupa. So now we'll see कि अगर उसने जब गेट दिया it went very well. So how was it her marks and like how she went to BITS Pilani. So Krupa like आपने गेट दिया ऐसे आपका रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्टेड से अच्छा आया. Then like result when आया तो what did you think about it कि ये मार्क्स आए अब मैं क्या करूँगी इससे. What was the thought कहाँ जाना है या क्या इसका यूज करके आप कहाँ पे एडमिशन ले सकते हो.
Okay, so जब रिजल्ट आया, so I knew in my mind कि मुझे कौन से colleges मिल सकते हैं, and it was not my preferred colleges, but I knew that those are decent colleges. Like
Okay.
it would no matter where I would have went, it would have been a huge change from the college I was before that.
Definitely.
So I was like, there is nothing to lose. Even if I go to any decent tier 1 college, I'll have great opportunities.
Correct. So that's true. Gate opens up. अब गेट क्वालिफाई करके किसी भी कॉलेज में जाओ आपकी एग्जिस्टिंग से तो बेटर ही रहेगा. वो प्रोवाइड गेट आपको कर देता है. राइट. सो लाइक व्हाट वाज द कॉलेजेस यू वर थिंकिंग कि इसमें जाना है या कोई प्रेफरेंस था उसमें.
Yeah, so I had an aim set after my marks that I knew that I'll get into NIT Surandhar. So I knew that that's the college I'll get, and in the end I did get that. But because of certain circumstances, I ended up at BITS Pilani, Hyderabad, and I think no matter which college I would have chosen, I knew that the environment from my previous college would have been completely changed, and no matter which college you go to, the end result and the opportunities are mostly the same.
Correct. So NIT Surathkal was the one of the option and the second option which you went right BITS Pilani. So but जब आपने गेट स्टार्ट किया when you were preparing for it आपने कोचिंग स्टार्ट किया जब आप रेगुलर थे उसमें तो तब कोई एम था.
Yeah, so my aim was IISc Bangalore.
Okay.
And I was at a point in my preparation where I really thought that I had a chance to go to IISc Bangalore. And one of my reason of thinking that I should quit GATE was because I knew that it's too late, and no matter how many hours I put from there onwards, I would not get into IISc Bangalore.
Correct.
But General Sir somehow he convinced me that even if it's not IISc Bangalore, there are other colleges where I'll get close enough opportunities.
Correct.
And I'm glad that I took his advice and gave GATE.
Correct. So like आपका IISc Bangalore का aim था and you somehow you didn't went there because the situation was that and you end up in BITS Pilani. So BITS में आपकी journey कैसे रही? Why now you think it was a very good decision to give a GATE at that time, which changed your life? What was that key takeaways from BITS Pilani campus की वहाँ पे कैसे रहा?
Okay, so my life in BITS Pilani is basically that the faculties which I interact with, they are knowledgeable. Okay, they have industry experience. They know what they are teaching, and that's like a rare experience for a student who studied in Tier 3 college, right? So that experience in itself, then the peer group I got from BITS Pilani. Okay, so even the BTech students, we have courses where all BTech students are also enrolled with MTech students.
Correct.
And there are points in our project or in our assignments where we have to go ask help from BTech students.
Correct.
And it has been interesting to learn from different people, no matter which age group they belong to or which branch they belong to.
Correct.
So there are multiple experiences like this which helped me grow personally, and I think it helped me grow my technical skills as well.
Correct. So this was your journey in BITS Pilani. So I wanted to highlight one point here कि when you end up in a good college, जो top 100s में या 200 में लाई करती है, according to NIRF ranking और उसमें लाई कर रहे हो, आप वहाँ पे end up कर रहे हो, it will be way more better जहाँ से आप आए हो, वहाँ की education, वहाँ का funding, वहाँ का research, वहाँ का environment, everything counts. वो सारी चीजें इतना मैटर कर जाती है कि आपका टेक्निकल ग्रोथ, एकेडमिक ग्रोथ, पर्सनल ग्रोथ, एवरीथिंग ग्रोज अप, राइट? तो Okay, Ruba. So this was your journey through till the BIS Pilani. So बात करें कि like what was your key takeaway? Like आप गेट एक्सपीरियंस को कुछ बताना चाहोगे जो गलती आपने की, जो वो लोग ना दोहराए, या ऐसा कुछ जो उनको कभी वो चीज नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, ऐसा कोई की टेकअवे?
So I was the type of student who got good grades in each exam. Okay. So GATE is not something जिसमें पहले मॉक में आपको अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे. And all the faculties of Educate told me that beforehand itself. Okay. And this fear was there in my mind from the start, because of which I started giving exams very late, very late.
Correct.
And I realized that if I would have allowed myself to make more mistakes in the start, I would have not made certain mistakes I made in the GATE exam itself.
Correct.
So even if you get negative marking, 0 or anything, you should start giving mocks as soon as possible.
Correct. So there is a say that practice makes a man perfect. Like आप जितना practice करोगे तो जो mistakes आपकी होनी है वो उसी practice में हो जाएगी. Then you can overcome that mistakes. तो so that final exam में वही mistakes आप दोहराओ नहीं, उसको repeat ना करो. So that is very good takeaway from Grupa कि like आपको regular basis पे और जितना हो सके उतने पहले से मॉक टेस्ट देनी चाहिए. अगर नेगेटिव मार्किंग आ रहे हैं फिर भी यू नीड टू कंटिन्यू दैट, यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई योर मिस्टेक्स एंड दैट अप्लाई स्ट्रेटजी और प्रोसेस जिससे आप वो मिस्टेक्स को ओवरकम कर पाओ. ये आपको कंटिन्यूअस करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स करेक्ट कृपा, राइट? राइट. सो थैंक यू सो मच कृपा फॉर शेयरिंग द जर्नी विद आवर गेट एक्सपीरियंस. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
सो गाइस, ये थी कृपा की जर्नी कि उसने गिव अप से लेके बिट्स पिलानी तक का सफर कैसे तय किया. सो इससे हमें ये चीज जानने को मिलती कि कभी भी आपने थोड़ी भी अगर प्रिपरेशन की हो तो एटलीस्ट आपको अपीयर होना चाहिए. आपको नहीं पता कि उससे आपको क्या बेनिफिट हो सकता है. सो इफ यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड, क्वांटिटी नहीं पता कितना अच्छा प्रिपेयर किया, बट एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू अपीयर फॉर इट. सो दिस विल बी माई की टेक अवे फ्रॉम हर जर्नी. So follow us, subscribe us for more such content. See you in our next video.